Hi, this is Shihabuddin. Welcome to SMA Financial and Tax Competitive Hub. In previous videos, we saw that what is the value added tax, who will register with the Gazette, how and when file the return to Gazette, latest amendment from the Gazette exemption and amenity and other topics such as goods and service, out of scope supply, reverse charge, place of supply, import, input and credit deduction and VAT records and books of accounts etc. In this video we are explaining how will affect the VAT in healthcare sector. I hope our videos are more informative and useful. Please subscribe and share with your valuable comments. Before going to our subject healthcare sector, let's see the history of the VAT Saudi Arabia and what is the value added tax. Value added tax is an indirect and a consumption tax which is placed on a product whenever value is added at each stage of the supply chain from production to the point of sale. VAT is implemented in more than 160 countries. Value added tax mainly divided into input tax and output tax. Input tax will be applied to the purchase transaction, which is included in the price when you purchase the VATable goods or services for your business. If you are registered with VAT, you will be able to deduct input VAT against output VAT in your VAT return. Output VAT is a VAT which you must calculate and collect when you sell the goods and service. The taxable person will account collected output VAT separately from its revenue in order to later remit a portion of it to the authority. The VAT that a taxable person collects on their sales is called output VAT. The healthcare guideline affected at companies, individuals, and persons who are involved in the provision of healthcare services, suppliers of medicine and medical goods, health insurance, and health sector. These guidelines covering all the relevant provisions in relation to the healthcare sector. Healthcare is not defined in VAT, but as per case health law, preventive, therapeutic, and rehabilitative services concerned with the health of the individual and the community at the primary, secondary, and specialist level. This may include associated medicine and medical goods services. The definition of government healthcare means government institution carrying healthcare services to the public in KSA. This include hospital, health center and other facilities run by the Ministry of Health or under any other involved in government agency. Private healthcare sector is defined as per KSA health law, a health institution owned by the private sector and prepared for treatment, diagnosis, nursing, medical analysis, rehabilitation or accommodation of convalescents. A private healthcare provider must be licensed by Ministry of Health. Private healthcare sector divided by hospital, general polyclinic, specialized polyclinic, clinic, radiology center, medical laboratory, same-day surgery center, health service support center, ambulance transport service. Health service support center again subdivided by physiotherapy center, optical stores, etc. Medicine and medical goods shall be considered qualifying medicine and qualifying medical goods in accordance with the classification issued by the MOH, Ministry of Health, in conjunction with the Saudi Food and Drug Authority (SFDA). Zero rated and vitamin medicines (SFDA) will be updated on regular basis. Zero rated and vitamin list will be available in SFDA website, and website links are available with this video. We'll see economic activity and VAT registration under VAT law. A legal person that has a regular activity making supply carries on an economic activity. Natural person or legal person who carry on economic activity must be registered with the General Authority of Zakat and Tax. Activities carried out by government healthcare. VAT is chargeable any taxable person who is carrying on economic activity when government healthcare provided an activity in its capacity as a public authority. This activity is not an economic activity. Also, General Authority of Zakat and Tax will consider these activities full of outside the scope of VAT. Government healthcare providers are therefore not obligated to register for VAT. Also, Gazette will clarify that any government healthcare provider qualified to obtain the refund of VAT paid on purchase made by them. Government healthcare provider will not apply VAT on healthcare provided to individuals. It means VAT will not be charged on public healthcare service or supply of medicine and medical goods. Also, government healthcare not issued to tax invoice Let's see with the examples. Now let's see how we'll treat the purchase from outside or private company to government healthcare. In this video showing how to invoice private company and how can claim the government healthcare from Gazette. All government healthcare system is out of scope of VAT, but any healthcare having any other economic activity other than healthcare, this activity is chargeable to VAT. Let's see the video and example. Let's watch mandatory registration. Who wanted to register the mandatory under the Gazette and what is the turnover limit? Also explain what is the transactional and optional registration, what is the turnover for the transactional and optional registration. Thank you for watching this video. In second part of healthcare, we will explain more provisions for private healthcare. Don't forget to watch and subscribe our channel.